Hello, this is Charlene. We are going to find the slope of vertical and horizontal lines. So our first question tells us to find the slope of the line x equals 14. And the second one tells us to find the slope of the line y equals 3. Well, those sometimes can be hard to keep that information in our head. So anytime you see a x equals equation and a y equals equation, I recommend drawing yourself a little picture. So we're going to do that. We're going to go ahead and draw a little picture, and we'll draw one for this one, and we'll draw one for that one. Okay, so this will be the y-axis. This will be the x-axis, and again, y-axis, x-axis. Okay, so when we have an x equals means that it's only going to touch the x-axis. So we're going to go find that x-axis, and then we're going to find 14 on it. Well, we're just going to pretend like 14 is like right there. 14. X equals 14 means it's only going to touch the x-axis. So that means we're going to have a line, and it's going to go just like that. Let's straighten that up just a little bit. Make sure it's on. Okay, so there's my x equals 14. That is what it looks like. That is x equals 14. It only touches the x-axis, and it only touches the number 14. So what kind of a line is that? Well, that is a vertical line. Vertical line. And a vertical line, if you think about it in terms of a mountain, could you actually drive up a mountain that was that steep? Let's see if I could draw. There's the wheels on my car, and I got a hood, and I got a place where we can sit. I got a trunk. Okay, there's my car. Is it actually gonna, I should go into the artist industry, don't you think? Okay, so I would not be able to drive up that mountain. It's absolutely impossible for my car to drive up a mountain that is that steep. Well, if it's impossible, what word do we use in math to mean impossible? Well, undefined. It is undefined. It's impossible for me to drive up a mountain that is that steep. So that means the answer to the slope of the x equals 14 line is going to be undefined. Okay, so again, let's think about the other one. On the other side says I want the slope of the line y equals 3. Well, I want to go find that y-axis, and I'm going to go find the 3 on the y-axis. So let's just pretend like 3 is like right there, and I'm going to draw a line through that 3. Okay, so there we go. And again, we need to understand that when we have a y equals 3, it's only going to touch the y-axis, and it's only going to touch the 3. So that line happens to be a horizontal line. Horizontal. Well, is it easy to drive on a road that's perfectly flat? Horizontal is perfectly flat. And it's easy because it has no slope. But what is the number that represents no slope? Well, no slope is represented by the number 0. It has 0 slope. 0 slope. And it is horizontal. So hopefully that helps you think through the process. Anytime you have an x equals a number, y equals a number, it's going to represent a straight line. Just draw yourself a little picture to remind yourself x equals only touches the x-axis, and y equals only touches the y-axis. So hopefully that helps you think through the process. Have a great day. Click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. We'll see you back soon.